Good shot, Camm. Good shot. He's sitting on him. He's sitting on him.
In the chair. She's sitting in the chair. She can't see.
Yes.
He's going to shoot.
Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Thank you. Hands on. You ain't gonna go, bro. We gonna move, bro. We gonna move.
No.
Let's go.
You're not losing your mind. A lot of people want to make you feel like you're crazy just because you can read them.
Look, I could give a fuck about a friend. Only thing I'm focused on is how I'ma make ends. I done been here before, boy, I'll do it all again. They'll smile in your face with remorse under their skin. Shit, nigga, it is what it is. I don't really give a fuck how you feel. You can't paint me no way, cause I kept it real. And even after all I did, you still get mad at me for choosing myself. I'm sorry they can't leave me on the shelf. I'm focused on my happiness and health. We are different. In comparison, you're a kid. I'm glad that it panned out the way that it did it. Is or it isn't meant to be. Lord, if it's not in your plan, then let it be. Cause I ain't forcing nothing, I ain't pushing buttons. Oh, niggas trying to get me out of here? Get up!
Gas is closing in.
Get up!
Yeah, it's his ball. You know how many fouls and all that? Y'all both know? Okay.
Don't back up, no pull up. Come on, ref.
一緒に来て。
Nah, play ball.
You ain't gonna go, bro. We gonna move, bro. We gonna move.
Two one, y'all. That was a test. Three one, let's go.
Turnover? Oh, that's what you're doing? Okay. Move, wait. 3-1.
They got, yeah, Ron got 3.
Don't need Camm. That's us.
You smacked it out, though.
It's still a turn, yeah. It's 1 possession, yeah.
Four, like, rush. Oh, right.
3-2, 3-2.
Good shot, Camm. Good shot. Get back. Sit on him. Hands up, Camm. Hands up, thank you.
I'm fading.
Uh-huh.
Take one more.
You got 2 more dribbles, bro.
Hey.
Good shot, boy.
Threes.
Go on in, Camm. Just sit. Don't reach. Just sit on him. Go on him. Sit. Go on him.
3. That was 3. Camera.
Camera, get the camera.
No, it's up to the ref. It don't work like that. Talk to the ref. That's on the ref.
Hey. Whoa.
Don't.
Good shot, Camm. Good shot, boy.
Fours. It's fours.
I just had a layup.
It was 3-3. He made that.
I'm talking about the foul count. Fours, bro.
It's fours. Everything was. The fouls is 4s too.
Yo, if you gonna call a hand call, you gotta call the same thing on 0-2, man. I'm sorry, my feet, man.
Good shot, Camm. Good shot. Sitting on him. He's sitting on him.
All day. 6-4.
Yeah, I know, he gonna give it to me.
Lay up.
Same thing, Ron. You get there, explode.
You know.
Come on, ref.
Whole ball. Timeout. 2.
Sit. You on him. You there? Good defense, boy.
Move back. My fault,
What is it, a 3-pointer?
Yeah. 5'6". In the chair. She's sitting in the chair. She can't see. Oh.
Y'all go move, boy.
You go.
Sitting on him. Make him uncomfortable.
Get that? Can I get that the same way?
You get him uncomfortable. Don't reach Camm. You sit on him. Don't sit on him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. You sit on him. Make him uncomfortable. You sit on him. Yeah, you on him. You on him. You on him. You sitting on him. Yeah. Don't touch him. You sit on him. You sitting on him. You on him. You on him. Yes. 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 Yes.
He's gonna shoot.
I touched him. He's there every time. He hitting that elbow.
Thank you. Make him down. Sit on him, bro. Attack now. You play defense, bro. You play defense, bro. Come on. Oh.
That was. One, two.
Banga!
Tie game.
Oh, right. That's the stop, right?
Tie game. Eights. Two, three.
A7.
Eights. He scored last point.
Time, bro.
Good time, bro. I told you already it's gonna be a defensive game, bro.
Yep. There we go.
5'6". Can't go.
200. Two.
Oh my God. Good shot, kid.
Eights is eight, y'all. Eights, y'all. Nine.
What the fuck is that? Tonight, right? You got 5.
Yes, 10-8.
Heavy with the touch. Take this first.
Hey, this the fuck up! Shut up, man. Damn!
Don't throw him off. Don't say nothing. Play ball.
That's a tough shot, dude.
Let him play. Y'all got let him play. Off his foot.
We got one stop here, Camm.
He cool. Good deep, boy.
No.
Let's go.
Yo, next point. Good time.
Watch the foul, man. Don't go foul.
I'm right.
That's a possession, ref.
Keep playing.
Possession.
Shh, don't say nothing. Let him play. Let him play.
That's what I'm saying, bro. He's OD.
That's fine. Hello?
Free throws, right?
It's good.
Nah, it's 10 point, 10 point.
Here we go.
It's his ball. His ball.
Fucking shit, bro.
Dog fight. Definitely dog fight.